Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, a name that sparked both admiration and controversy in Indian history. He was a revolutionary, a writer, a political leader, and a thinker who reshaped the way Indians saw their fight for freedom. Born on May 28, 1883 in a small village called Bhagur in Maharashtra, Savarkar grew up in a time when India was under British colonial rule. From a young age, he was fascinated by stories of bravery and national pride. By the time he was in school, Savarkar had already formed a group of young patriots determined to fight for independence. In 96, Savarkar traveled to London to study law, but for him, education was never just about books. It was about revolution. He founded the Free India Society and inspired fellow Indians in Britain to join the cause of freedom. He also supported armed struggle against the British, believing that independence could not be won through petition alone. His writing, especially the book The First War of India Independence, told the true story of the 1857 uprising and ignited a new wave of nationalism. But his revolutionary activities come at a price. In 99, Savarkar was arrested from his connection to a political association. He was sentenced to life terms over 15 years in the cellular jail of the Andaman Island, one of the most brutal prisons in British India. In the prison, Savarkar faced unimaginable hardship, solitary confinement, hard labor, and inhuman conditions. Yet he never let go of his ideals. Even behind bars, he wrote poetry and inspired fellow prisoners. He was eventually released in 1924 under strict conditions. While his revolutionary days in the field were over, his influence on Indian politics was far from finished. Savarkar went on to become a leading figure in the Hindu Mahasabha, where he promoted his philosophy of Hindutva, an idea that saw India as a nation united by its cultural and historical identity. Veer Savarkar passed away on February 26, 1966. But his legacy remains deeply debated to some. He is a fearless patriot who fought for independence to other, a controversial political figure, yet no one can deny his impact on India's freedom movement. Veer Savarkar's life was a story of courage, sacrifice, and unshakable belief in his motherland, a story that still inspires generations.